Osmo Mobile 2. Operating your Osmo Mobile 2. The Osmo Mobile 2 consists of two parts, a gimbal and handle. Introduction to gimbal. A mobile phone can be mounted to the Osmo Mobile 2 vertically or horizontally. The mobile phone is mounted horizontally by default. Or you can mount the mobile phone based on your need. Introduction to handle. Power mode button. Press the button once to check the battery level. Press and hold the button for 1.5 seconds to power it on or off. When the Osmo Mobile 2 is powered on, tap the power mode button once to enable lock mode. And tap the button again to disable the mode. Tap the button twice to center the mobile phone. Tap 3 times to switch between the mobile phone's front and rear cameras and enter selfie mode. Joystick. Move the joystick left and right to make the gimbal pan, and up and down to make the gimbal tilt. Shutter record button. After photo or video mode is selected in DJI Go, press the shutter record button to capture photos or videos. In photo mode, press and hold the button to capture continuous photos. Zoom slider. Push the slider up and down to zoom in or out. USB port. The port is on the back of the handle and used to charge the mobile phone when its battery level is low. 1/4 inch 20 UNC port. The port is on the bottom of the handle and used to connect to a tripod. Have fun using your Osmo Mobile 2. Thank you for watching.